Good morning, YouTube. On my way to change a package rooftop unit. I had posted a picture a while back about kind of a, what's missing. And somebody had stolen the condenser coil. They just hacked it all out. We had gotten a call initially there for no cooling, and unfortunately that was the issue. So I am on my way up to meet a coworker of mine and change the unit. So we are meeting the crane. Right now I'm running late. I know my coworker was already on his way. So I hope to get some pretty good footage.
Turn left on Farmingdale Road.
We'll see how it goes. It's a Lennox to Lennox replacement, so it shouldn't be too bad. We did need an adapter curb, so from what I can remember for this unit, I think the adapter curb's a little crazy, being about 25 inches tall. So we will see how that all plays out. So I hope to get some good footage, and I will catch up with you guys later. Alright, getting closer to the job over here to change that rooftop. I'm just curious if the crane is there or not, because I was running late. I'm still earlier than they said that they were going to be here. However, they like to show up
Turn right
early.
on Jericho Turnpike. Then
So,
keep left.
We shall see. My coworker doesn't know much about what's going on, so I really should have been here earlier. However, there's a little backlog this morning. So we shall see. And after I get this red light, we'll get through this red light. I should be able to see if the crane's there yet or not. I can't see over this other building. So, see you guys back in a second.
Recalculating.
Let's see if
Continue 1 mile. Then turn left on Larkfield Road.
see if they're here or not. I see my coworker's truck, and nope, the crane's not here. Yippee! Alright. I will get set up, and we will take it from there. This is some of the other stuff next door I run into, where people didn't change the one unit. They just put another unit next to it and cut into the ductwork and everything else and just left the old thing there. Gotta love it. So this is the unit that's being replaced. The crane is late, which is good for me. This is the one with the condenser coil that's missing. I stopped back yesterday and popped off the electric that's just sitting there waiting for the crane to come out, and it popped off the gas yesterday, so it could just be lifted off. A little bit about the building. We had done this building back in the 80s, well, before my time, but we had done all these units are all Lennox GCS 16s. So they're getting to their point where they're going to start being replaced by the landlord, and that guy right there is the landlord. So, all right, we'll get some footage when the crane's here.
I found your yellow jackets. There's one over here, man.
Sorry I didn't get the rig. It got a little crazy. They popped the unit on backwards because I went down take care of something, and they had to re-rig it, so it got a little nuts. But here's our new Lennox unit with our adapter curb. Crane just finished putting stuff away and they took off. So now we just gotta hook everything back up. Alright. Alright. The unit's up and running. We're looking good. Inside's just kind of a mess right now. They're waiting to get another tenant. So, but looking good. Everything is up, running, and pressures look good. Everything looks good. Got about a 19-degree split inside. It's not that big of a load today. I mean, it's only 73 degrees up on the roof, so it's not bad up here at all. You guys down in Florida and Atlanta and down that way, probably quite a bit warmer, but up here, 73 degrees. It was 50 degrees when I walked out of the house this morning. So, all good. All right, guys, I will catch you on the next one.